Okay, this is the second day on our price negotiation strategies, part two. As we talked about yesterday, there are dozens of reasons why or arguments that you can use to help sellers recognize the risk associated to not accepting an offer, especially when a seller has been presented with an offer and it's a reasonably good offer. They still believe they can do better or get a higher price. You've got to ask them questions and make sure they're aware of all the different considerations that they should be thinking about. So let's talk about a few more today. You want to ask, what dollar amount would you put on the aggravation of having to continue to sell your home, especially if it takes a lot more months, and especially if you have people that are walking through your home and you have to continue to prepare your home for showings. Second one, what's it worth for you to just get the process over and move on with your life? The third one, does keeping the property affect the quality of your life? In other words, if you can't take the next step in your life, you've worked really hard to achieve a quality of life, and now you're not able to because you're stuck still trying to sell your home. What are the emotional costs that are associated with waiting to sell? Another one, will buyer motivations change in the future? That's a risk. If that happens, they make less money and they end up with a double whammy. Do they really want to take that risk? And then the last one today, if you negotiate too aggressively, will the buyers refuse to go up in price and instead buy another home? It could be the perfect buyer and you lose them. The old expression that we've got to be careful using, but pigs get fat, hogs get slaughtered. It's so true. You can't be greedy. That's what we have for today. Part three, we're going to go over tomorrow.